I'm living front row, y'all can take the mezzanine. Backseat chillin', treating life like it's a magazine. 17 and making money, with no doubt. I had a crush on Gwen Stefani. You no doubt, like I woke up inside a new Bugatti. Let's roll out, nobody told me this was just a hobby. You know now, but if you didn't then you probably would've got it. I remember breaking even, now we at it making profit. I ain't tryna take the throne, but baby give me options like I'm Geno Smith. I tell them do it on your own, me and Kina did. And now we tryna take the road less traveled, cause sometimes the best shit's secret. So take your old ways, cause we don't need it. I'm doing it my way, so don't repeat it. And if you say it's just a dream, I don't feel it. You wanna take me down a notch, but this is more appealing. Like, I got the type of life that no one tryna mess with. You got the Michaela Maroney bitches ain't impressed with.
I wanna go where the lights are low and the dreamers are chasing. I wanna live like we don't know much, but we know we're gonna make it. I don't wanna spend another night alone. I wanna go cause if we don't leave now, then we're never gonna make it home. Wait until I make it home. Wait until I make it home.
Step out of the car and now I'm walking into her house. So loud, there's people talking up a storm cloud about the things they wanna do to me now. Oh yeah. So I heard that you've been looking for a new man, and now I gotta come up with a game plan. Oh, I'm digging deeper than I should. I only have eyes for you. I only had love for two, and now I'm gonna give it all to you, to you, to you. 'Cause I only have eyes for you, and now that it's time to choose, I know I'm gonna give it all to you, to you, to you. What do I do? I'm sick of looking all around here for you. I started sipping on my Grey Goose. Can't lose, nothing's making me forget you. Oh no, damn girl, I think I'm getting closer to you right now. I can taste it on my tongue and I'll scream out how I want you so bad. Yeah. I only have eyes for you. I only have love for two, and now I'm gonna give it all to you, to you, to you. 'Cause I only have eyes for you, and now that it's time to choose, I know I'm gonna give it all to you, to you, to you. I only have eyes for you, and I gotta make a move. I'm gonna bring it all to you.